Hey everybody, it's Terry and it's Wacky Wednesday, and I'm here with Bill Bench from Hamilton, Ohio. How old are you, sir?
I am 72.
And how long you been building?
Since I was in the 3rd grade.
Long time.
Yes.
What got you started?
My dad bought me a model of airplane. It's a P-40, and got me put together and everything. And, they got the little code behind the cockpit on and everything. I thought it'd be a good idea to fill it up with glue and everything. And that got me started. I'd be ashamed to show it now if I still had it, but I'm sure it's long, long gone.
What's your favorite subject matter to build?
I'm either drag cars or street machines.
And how long on average does it take you to build a model?
It depends on my incentive. I've done things as little as 20 minutes, and some things I've been working on for over 20 years off and on.
I've been there, done that. Okay, so what we do, you've seen our videos, you spin the little wheel of doom over here, and then whatever it lands on, I ask you a question. You get 4 questions.
Okay.
5.
So spin the wheel. No, it's 4.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
I think. 12. How many models do you work on at a time?
Right now I have about 4 on my bench. I tried doing the one at a time, but it just takes way too long for some reason.
All right. I don't know what's over there. 1, 2, about 4, 5. Yeah, I feel you. One back here behind us.
Yeah. Don't ask me how I got in progress. Probably
All
over
right.
60, I imagine.
Yeah.
Spin again.
They go back in the box.
Okay.
Number 6. What has the hobby taught you?
Patience.
New cuss words on my end, but
Oh, that too, but I don't want to say that. I figured it was a family video.
it's okay. Spin again. Oh, spin again.
Or just do the one next beside it.
11. What is a pet peeve is what I call it, but what has to be perfect on every model that you build? No matter what.
Let's see. I like for my wheels to be level and all forward touching, and I hate like on a drag car when somebody puts like the wrong classification on it. Like let's see, somebody has like a Willys with B gas on it, and when clearly it should be like a Pro Mod or something like that.
Okay, that makes sense. One more. 10. What is the tool that you find most valuable in building?
Well, there are many of them, but one thing that has helped me a lot is, believe it or not, out of the beauty shop, you get those 4-grit fingernail files. And anyway, you can knock down the glue seam, just about anything else very quickly with those things. And if you do it properly and stuff like that, when you paint things, you can't even see the seam.
Oh, good deal, good deal. All right, you brought a couple cars here to show us.
Okay,
The Willys and the Mustang.
thanks to TS decals, I was able to create some of my visions, everything. When I was a kid, I built Willys, and anyway, I always loved the decals that were with it, like the Horsepower Heaven and Dave's Drag Store and stuff like that. And I had a scan oven. Terry's able to make those for me. And about 35 years ago, I saw the 1-to-1 scale car of this at a little gas station about 10 miles west of Portsmouth, Ohio. And let's see, the owner wasn't around, and I didn't have a camera with me, so most of this is going through memory and stuff. But I just thought it was really cool. It was a little low buck bracket racer, very plain Jane inside, and it's painted purple. It had a red hood scoop on it, and had gold lettering on it. It said "Our Little Pony." And since you guys came along, he's able to understand what I was going from and everything. And let's see, I was able to create this. I used colors by Boyd. Let's see, I think it was Plum Crazy, and it's enamel. It took a month for that thing to dry, but I finally got together and I had our first contest this year, and I say took first place in curbside comp, and
Cool.
Let's see, and since my daughter's with me, I thought she could use a race car, so that's why I put her name on it. But since I showed this to her and everything, she was really impressed with it and everything. And I had you guys make other decals for family members and stuff like that. And said, no, you can't use it. This is mine. This is unique.
All right,
So I
good
have to slide something in, I guess.
deal. Good deal. I forgot to bring my T-shirts up here, but I give you a T-shirt if I got one in your size made. If not, I'll get it to you.
Okay,
So thank you for coming, buddy.
Thanks for having me.
All right.